Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you'd like to have this kind of info on the status bar, all you have to do is to simply enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the notifications. Let's enter. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Advanced Settings, and as you can see in the status bar section at the bottom of it, we've got the Show Battery Percentage option, which is in my case of course turned on, but probably in your case is turned off. So all you have to do is to simply tap on this switcher and you will be able to immediately apply the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Samsung Galaxy A33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.